Okay, so if you kiteboard, you probably have purchased one of these pumps, and with this type of, I guess you would call it a hose, that you use to fill up you hook it to the pump and then you hook it to your kite. But this one that I bought, and I paid a lot of money for it, it keeps breaking. So I got to fix that. Up here you can see I've got it smushed on here, but we're going to cut it. So first of all, I got to cut this right here. So we're going to try using this one right here, get in there and make a cut on it. As you can see, it does not want to cut. Bam. So there we go, we got that. Now the thing is I got to get this off of here. So I got to figure out how to do that. So that's what we're going to do right now. And what I could do is just unravel it like this instead. So dumb. So when I do that, look what happens. It comes right off of here. Bam, done. They put some glue on here, but you know what? Let's go ahead and take the glue off. All right, so now we've got that part off. Now all we got to do, really, is get the sand out of there. And then we're just going to screw this in there, just like that. Screw her in there nice and tight. And guess what? Bam, Bob's your uncle. We just fixed that, right? That's fixed. This side, I could do the same thing. I've got this piece right here, as you can see. And really all you need to do is cut it. So I'm just going to cut it here.
What are you doing?
Making a video.
Fine.
None of your biz, Wax. I don't think we can use that kind of language on YouTube.
You can use that.
I think I got it on there. And that should work now.
I broke down.
What?
I broke down.
What'd you buy?
Kit Kats.
Kit
For
Kats?
tomorrow night.
Oh, for Halloween?
Just in case anybody came.
You think somebody's going to show up?
What's all over here?
Sand.
Oh, why?
I don't know. So if I unpeel this, oh shit, dropped it. Now I got this open, right? Now I can get this thing on there, but I got to cut it first. That's Lynette right there.
I don't want to see it.
She's in the video now. So I got to clean the sand out of it. This does not want me to make a living. All right, so here, this thing here, see, this came off. And I'm not sure what the deal on that is, but I'm just going to try to push it in there. I'm going to use, I think I'm just going to use this. Got to push it down in there. I'm not sure how that works. I think it's supposed to be on that side of it. All right, that's going to come off. Then what we're going to do is we're going to push this through this way, right? So now we can screw it. And then this goes on here like that. But it really doesn't do anything for us. I don't know why, So we're just going to try to use it that way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to screw this bad boy in here. And I may need my channel locks to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab a hold of it like this. And we're just going to push her in. Get her in there tight. I'm not using any glue. You want to know why? I'm going to have to cut this thing again because it's probably going to break off too. So just hold it, twist it. And there we are, done. That baby's in there. So look at, we fixed both sides. Now we can use this still. It's not sliding down a little bit, but not a lot. Yep. But I think it's going to work. All right, I'll tell you when we pump up the kite. This is what we cut off of it. Another like 4 inches. It's ridiculous. Okay, so anyway, I brought the hose down, and here's the pump. And the pump's great, but I need to probably wash it off. Maybe not. how it twists. Just you gotta get it on kind of tight, otherwise it doesn't work. And now we're gonna go ahead and blow up our kite. Gotta get her out of here. Wind's coming out of the northeast, so we got to get the leading edge to that direction. Trailing edge goes out. Flip it over. Here's your flow valve. Got to connect the flow valve. So I just screw it in like that. So I'm going clockwise to get it in, as you can see. And this one I turn counterclockwise to get it off. And that's where you hook your you're gonna hook your pump to. So here's the pump. And we put that on there yesterday. Bring her over here. Set her down. And we're gonna see how she works. What I do is I twist it a little bit like this, so it kind of. What I do is I twist it a little bit like this, so it kind of catches on there. There we go, like that. And then you got to put your leash on. You don't want to lose your kite around there. Then you back it up a little bit. Looks like we're doing it. That's it. That's how you do it.